morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Monday, the 9th of March. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. And we've got quite a nice day today and tomorrow. We're going to be up near 60. Could reach 60 in Boston for the first time since the 26th of November. Average is the 19th of February. I was a little surprised how early the first 60-degree day occurs around this area. It just shows you just how much prolonged sort of cold we've had. Last year it was March 10th, so it's very similar to the first 60-degree day last year as well. Tomorrow, if we don't do it today, we almost assuredly should. There's always can be that sea breeze that kicks in at Logan Airport, but make the assumption that most of us are going to get to 60 today and tomorrow. More melting going on, more latent heat of condensation as the moisture in the air condenses on the snow, much like when you take out a cold bottle of soda, whatever, from the refrigerator, put it on the counter and it sweats. That's the condensation, the moisture in the air condensing on that bottle, and that releases a little bit of heat. Well, the same thing's happening to the snow. The moisture in the air is condensing on the snow and releasing heat and helping to melt it. It's one of the reasons why we're seeing the snow cover vanish so quickly. My neighbors have no snow down the street. I still have 17 inches on the ground. It's because of the fact that it's in a northern side versus a southern side. So you'll also notice those kind of changes. Wednesday, cloudy up near 60, maybe some showers Wednesday night. Thursday, still near 60. Wednesday night, very mild. We're going to see a lot of snow really disappear Wednesday night. Then Thursday, any showers come to an end, should set us up for cooler end of the week, basically back to the 40s. Have a great day, everybody.